The new touch-free wave tap requires a little planning before you start to install. For touch-free operation, the wave tap uses smart infrared sensors to activate the drinking water. Users need to be able to safely and easily place their hands around the tap to operate. This requires an operation envelope of 100mm to be kept around the touch-free wave tap. For easy operation of the touch-free wave tap, Zip recommends installation on a classic font. This makes operation easy as the tap is facing the user and any cups, glasses or bottles can be rested on the font. Use the font template to mark out the holes for the classic font. Make sure there is a 100mm operation envelope at the back of the font. As the tap extension is included with the classic font, the thread extension will need to be fitted. Using the provided tap nut, join the two threads. Fit the tap spacer to the font. Pass the hoses and USB cable through the tap extension and tap hole on the font. Fit the washer and spider clamp. Make sure that each hose is in a separate quadrant of the spider clamp. Tighten the tap nut so the touch-free wave tap is tight and straight on the font. For sink installations, make sure you position the touch-free wave where it's easy to operate. You need to find a position that feels easy to use the touch-free wave tap. Fitting your hand easily behind the touch-free wave is necessary. For positioning, make yourself an operation envelope template from the touch-free wave box. Measure and cut out a 10cm length of box, wide enough so you can fit a pencil or pen through both ends. Place one pencil in the middle of the box surface and draw a circle. Cut this circle out as your template. Place the template on the bench top where you want to position the touch-free wave. This is to ensure you have the correct amount of room around the touch-free wave for easy operation. Once the position for the tap has been found, use the centre of the template to mark the centre of the 35mm tap hole. These tap holes were pre-drilled. Fit the tap spacer to the hole and pass the hoses and USB cable through the hole. Fit the washer and spider clamp. Make sure each hose is in a separate quadrant of the spider clamp. Tighten and angle the tap for best operation. The tap needs to be able to fill a glass, mug or bottle easily. Once the touch-free wave is secure, cut your hoses to length and connect the USB cable to the command center. Please view the command center installation video for your product to complete the installation.